Going on YouTube? Today we're just doing an interactive video. I want to start getting some comments from you guys. I'm not starting to grow here in zone 7A, Paterson, New Jersey, and I'm just in a greenhouse sitting in here just chilling out and thinking about when I'm gonna grow and what I'm gonna grow, and I'm gonna use this time for you guys to help me out and give me ideas. I have a very small workspace. I'm gonna try and seed right there to this week, next week. Move some of this out the way and seed right there, and quick little tour of my seedlings. I actually put some ground cherries in that have not sprouted yet. Let me show you those. Hold on one moment. Let me show you these. Nothing sprouted, but it started February 8th, 2025. Let's see in a couple more days. These are 2 more ground cherries that I did earlier, and some figs. I think we lost one, and one in the back haven't sprouted yet. And right here is a sugar cane that came up out of 3. It's my little fish tank with the greedy fish. Let's do a little quick feeding and make these fish poop. Yeah, see, they greedy. They're real greedy, boy. The water the plants eat up a lot of the nutrients, and the strawberries that I just planted a few days ago, that one didn't come up. A bigger ground cherry. All powered by the EcoFlow. EcoFlow Delta Max. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I don't know. EcoFlow Delta Max solar. And it's plugged up to the house. The soil temperature is 77 degrees. The outside temperature in there is 77. The highest it got was 108 today. And 69, the highest it got was 109. Wow, and it's snowing outside. My carnivorous bog plant, I'm gonna repot that so it can be a little bigger and nicer. I'm gonna do that. And this cabbage that I have in here, and it's growing real long because it's chasing that light up there. It's chasing the light. And I also have a lemon tree with a few lemons on it. Just a few of them. Just a few lemons on it. Let's see what this grows up to be. And I have a pineapple plant that's sitting up here in the dirt. It's all being water fed through the solar fish tank. It's doing all the feedings. I feed the seedlings by hand on the bottom, and I mix them with the spray. Yeah. So let's talk about it. Tomatoes, peppers. We know we're gonna have ground cherries because that's gonna be like the main stock. But I think February 24th or something like that I might try to start, but I really wanted to start in March. March 10th was really when I really want to start the seed. And I want all you guys to follow me. Give me some comments, interact. I have a lot of videos, I get a lot of likes. I get some views, but I'm not really getting too many comments. Good, bad, everything is welcome. I just want to interact with my viewers and hopefully get more viewers and get some sponsors, because this stuff costs a lot of money. And when we start planting on my outside garden, hopefully I have enough sponsors and enough subscribers to get a irrigation system. Maybe I can get one of these companies to have me do a demonstration of setting up the irrigation system in my backyard where I don't have to pay for it. But if I have to pay for it, so be it. It's going to get done. But again, give me some information. Should I start before the 24th, or should I keep it at March 10th? Because I don't really want to be repotting and have big plants in here taking care of them. I kind of really want them to really be outside, and I'm gonna also do some in-ground grows like my corn, my sunflowers, and even my beans. I might do those in-ground because, again, I don't like putting them in the starting trays. I don't like putting them in the starting trays because it really don't have enough root system, enough space for the root system, and they're real delicate. And I think you get a better grow when you actually put it in the ground, because you don't have to worry about hardening the plants off with the sun, and it acclimates to the ground much better. But again, please comment, give me some ideas. What do you think about my seed buster? You think it'll work? It's outside right now. I don't know, the temperature outside is like 27 degrees, but it's 69 in here, right here 69, there's 70 right back here, and there's 77 inside the seed buster. And I have this thermostat inside the dirt right there, and the thermostat keeping the soil at 77. I really want it from between 75 and 85. The soil is really good, and just keep it moist. But again, you know, let me know, what should I grow? I definitely want to grow watermelons this year. Definitely want to grow peppers. Sorry. What else? What else do I want to grow? I don't know. Tell me, what should I grow? Squash. Oh, carrots. The way I grow carrots this year, I want you guys to tune into that. I'm using actually the paper egg cartons to separate the carrots, because last year I took the carrots and I just threw them on the thing. They actually grew, but I didn't take the time to thinning them out. And because if the carrots grow too close together, they won't form a carrot. It just, you know, really be like, it won't work. It'll be real small, and it just don't work. So this year I got a new system. When I set that up, I want you guys to tune in, really tune in, and we're gonna follow that all the way into harvest. Basically, this is what the channel is gonna do. We're gonna follow all my grows until harvest, and we're also gonna throw in a little bit of fishing, because I have a little boat. This summer we're gonna do a little fishing, maybe some catching cooks. Also wanted to do some crabbing and crabbing cooks, like literally just go crabbing out there with a propane tank, grill, water, ingredients. It just has some nice gourmet crabs fresh right out the water. I think that would be cool. But again, please comment. I need some help, man. I need my subscribers to really help me out with this, you know, what we're gonna do with this. Again, I have a very small space. I can basically sit in here and smoke la and you know, meditate, you know, from the cold. I had to do a cleanup. I don't know. I'm gonna do another little viewing. Ground cherry. I have to really look at what date I grew this. I do have it documented, but I don't have it down. The carnivorous plant, it eats bugs, so it's doing well with insects in here. Cabbage. You already know we have the lemon tree growing from the ground, sprouting up. We have pineapple tree. I don't know if it's gonna sprout. This is the first year it was in a pot. Now I put it in the ground. We have the ground cherries. Looks like this one about to start, you know, fruiting next month. Yeah, baby. I'll show y'all what it's like. Then we got some ever-bearing strawberries. They are looking really, really, really good, people. Come on, give me a comment. Like, what do you think about growing strawberries inside of a fish tank with some dirty goldfish? I mean, what do you think? You think it's a good thing? You think I'm gonna bear some nice big strawberries? Tune in. Keep watching. Keep watching. And also, let's keep watching this right here. This is my pepper plant, and the aphids got to it, and I'm gonna try to bring this one back to life. This is another one. I'm gonna show you how my green thumb really works. You know what I'm saying? So again, you guys saw the figs in here, 2 ground cherries. This is another plant I'm gonna wake back up in a few days. This is gonna be very pretty. I'm gonna clean that out. I gotta clean out this place and organize this place. Definitely when I start planting, because I'm gonna try to use this rack to actually do my seedlings in here. And again, I don't have much space when I start repotting. I got racks back here that I can put plants on, and this is gonna be another row of things to grow after I put that one, because after it gets off the heat mat, I gotta take it off the heat mat when they start growing. I'm gonna place them out here and then put another one on the heat mat just to keep it popping. But again, man, let me know, man. I need some advice. I need some dialogue so we can make some content for you guys, man. And I would love for you guys that's growing right now, that's gardening right now, to comment, you know, subscribe. I got a lot of things I have to show you in my backyard. My compost that I started last summer. I brought a $60 compost tumbler. It's in the shed right now because I didn't want it to freeze over in the winter, so I keep it in the shed. It's gonna come out probably next week when the snow go away. But again, this video is for you to comment. I need interaction. I need to hear from you guys. Something, you know, let me know, you know, so we can get this, you know, popping. So I'm out until the next grow, maybe on the 24th or March 10th. Those 2 dates we gotta look out for. All right, yeah.